Well, a plan to house critically sick and formerly incarcerated New Yorkers has brought with it plenty of protest from residents in Morris Park.
And News 12's Dan Serafin spoke with officials from the Fortune Society. That's the organization looking to bring that facility to the Jacoby campus. He got an exclusive tour of their Harlem location.
Stanley Richards was at the community input meetings. The deputy CEO of the Fortune Society has heard Morris Park residents who are against plans to bring a medical and housing facility to their neighborhood.
Take a look at what we've done in Harlem.
Richards points to the Fortune Society's Harlem location for an example of what could come to Morris Park, telling us they're a valued part of that community, putting together activities for kids, adults, and seniors, sharing their space for community events. Sharing with us this letter of appreciation from Community Board 9.
What we have done at Fortune is really build out an intensive wraparound service model that allow people to get access to the resources they need and the support to turn their lives around.
And they gave me the space I needed to do what I had to do to get clean from drugs, stay out of prison.
Helen Taylor tells us she spent decades struggling with addiction.
They was here for me.
One thing officials from the Fortune Society wanted to make clear is that what they're looking to open at the Jacoby site in the Bronx is not a shelter. It's what they refer to as mixed-use, permanent supportive housing. That's because of all the help and services that they provide to residents. Residents like Helen, who says without them, she wouldn't have survived.
I needed it. Had 30 years of drugging, and I knew it wouldn't be easy.
It's a community. When she was hospitalized, people went to visit her, people called her, neighbors, and that's what we've built here. And that's what we want to do in Jacoby.
Officials with the Fortune Society tell us they're still at least 3 years away from anything at Jacoby being open and operational, but what they'd like to do is have conversations with residents, showing them their facilities are safe for the neighborhood. This Harlem location, open for more than a decade now, is equipped with 24-hour surveillance, both inside and out. They say the same will be true for any future sites. In Harlem, Dan Serafin, News 12.